Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix Outlook rules error, can't move to the specified folders. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to open your Outlook and you have to go to the home, and after that click on rules tab, and now you have to click on manage rules and alerts. So now you will get all your rules over there. So I have created one rules over there, YouTube creators. So now what you have to do, you need to double click on your rules and you will get a screen like this, rules wizard. So now you have to scroll down and you have to check this option which is called on this computer only, and after that click on next, then click on next, then click on next. Then you have to select this option which is called run these rules now on messages already in inbox. So after that click on finish and click on apply, then yes, then okay. So you are done. So still if you are getting same error, then I will suggest you to delete the previous rules like this, and after that click on apply, then okay. And you have to create a new rules. Like if you want to create new rules, right click on that mail and go to the rules and click on create rules, and after that you have to create a rules like this. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. So if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.